So welcome guys to the first tutorial video, and in this tutorial video we're going to be diving a little bit deeper into this dashboard. So as soon as you sign up with markets, you get into this dashboard and you get an immediate suite specifically for you, and also you get your USA tax-free address. So on the right hand side here, when you click down this drop down where it says US address, you can clearly see from here your specific address, and here you'll find your unique suite number. And as you can see, there are two addresses, address number 1 and address number 2. And basically, this is the most important part. This is how you are going to shop online by using these specific addresses, not only address 1 and 2, but all of it, copying exactly this information into any other online store where you might be shopping from. So you can either highlight this address like this, or you can click on this icon and it will copy to your clipboard. Make sure to copy this address exactly like it is within your suite. And remember always to include your suite number, your specific suite number, so that there's no delay when we receive your package. We know that it is for you, and we'll be able to put it within your suite, and you'll get an instant notification about that as well. So you can highlight all of these, or you can copy also them one by one. It's important for you to not only put address number 1 and address number 2, but also the city, the state, which is the FL stands for Florida, the postal code, the country, and obviously the phone number as well. With all of this information, you should be able to shop and ship online from any online store in the world. Now, a few things that are very, very important when you're using these addresses. In some occasions, some online stores like Amazon, Shine, Temu, or any other online store that you might be shopping from might recommend or suggest a different type of address. And we suggest you to ignore that, because most of the time they will suggest an address that they think would be more viable. But it is very, very important for you to copy and paste these specific addresses in the fields in the online store where you're doing your shopping. Basically, ignore the recommendations, ignore the suggestions. Do not allow them to change the address, because if they do end up changing the address, it might create a conflict and it might cause delays in us receiving your package, or it might even cause that the package is completely lost or would be missing, because the carrier that is delivering it to our warehouse would not know exactly where to bring it to. So it is very, very important to copy these addresses specifically like this and paste them within the online store. If the online store at any point says that this address is undeliverable or requires any other attention, please contact us, make a screenshot of the error that you're seeing, and we'll help you to set up your address in your specific online store. Most of the time, it has to do with either a space, or it has to do with an exclamation or any other type of letter or any other type of symbol that is within the address that makes it difficult for the online store to recognize the address and pinpoint exactly where the address is. But most of the time, if you copy all of this information correctly, it will go without any problems and will be able to receive your package quickly and fast. So that is it, guys, for how to use your USA address. Now let's proceed to the next tutorial video.